Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to continue our walkthrough of Finaissured and look under the hood on some more Finaissured functions. In previous videos or in other videos, we've gone through what kind of the prediction algorithm looks like and how it works. In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can work Finaissured into an existing accounting package. So here we have one of the more popular accounting packages, which is Zoho Books. It's used by a lot of businesses, and we've logged in to an account that has several hundred uncategorized transactions and no categorized transactions. So obviously, in a typical example, this is what an accountant or a bookkeeper would see, and their job would be to click this and to start categorizing the transaction as an expense, and then what type of expense, and continue on with their job. But with Finaissured at their fingertips, they would be able to actually automate that function and take the prediction algorithm that we had shown last time and actually apply it directly to Zoho so that you can have an entire workflow that allows you to predict the algorithm, leverage the Zoho APIs, which we've integrated with directly here, and we've created abstractions that people can use to be able to get the best uh, multi-transaction input into Zoho. And we're very excited about that because that actually allows a tremendous simplification of the accounting journey. And so here I've already extracted two of these transactions. I've just taken the description, nothing else, into a sample sheet here. And I've already uploaded that into our model. So if you want to see that here, you can see that we have Facebook and Ratnadeep. That's just two of the several transactions. You can do the entire thing if you want, get it from the transactions API. Here we're going to run our Finaissured model. And once that's done, we're going to make sure that the data that we want the output for is inside here, right? So that's sample right there. And we are going to ask the model to predict the expense and the type of account, the category of account, type of expense that it is for these two transactions. So let's run that right now. And boom. So you have it here, Facebook as an expense, advertising and marketing, and Ratnadeep as an expense under meals and entertainment. And so you can take this JSON context and you can apply it directly into the Zoho APIs, which we've thankfully done. And you can actually feed that data directly into Zoho through Finaissured. And what you would get here is now instead of 266 uncategorized transactions, if I simply refresh, I would get 264 because two of those transactions have been automatically categorized. If I go to here, I could see the two that have been categorized where the appropriate expense account has been identified. And you can do that for hundreds of transactions at once. So this is an example of how Finaissured can integrate directly with an accounting package. And the options are really endless here. You can integrate it with multiple accounting packages, just like Zoho, and really automate this entire categorization, bank categorization workflow. So in further videos, we're going to be discussing different input types. Maybe you're not getting the input from a sheet or an API, but you might be getting it from a PDF. We're going to be talking about making different vendor payments and other types of workflows inside of Zoho. But this really gives you a full understanding of how you can leverage Finaissured to do the prediction, feed that in directly into the Zoho APIs through the Finaissured application, and then streamline your workflow.